I took action, and I went after my goals and dreams. And, and that's one thing I love about this, because you are your own boss. You get to design your life. You get to design your future. And mine included a community of people, because I truly just wanted to show people that you can be loved on, you can be appreciated, you can be validated without having to spend money every month, right? And we've proven that in our community, and I just love that. Hey, is that Carissa? Oh my gosh, you guys. Are you still on here, Carissa? Put a yes if you are. You guys, Carissa that just said Michele, that's the gal that I bought from. That's the gal that made the post on September 9th of 2022. And her post said no MLM, no monthly expenses, $300 a day. That's her. Everybody always asks about you. Hey, how are you doing? Isn't that so awesome? So, Carissa, I have to update you. I hope you're sitting down. So because you made that post that day, you've changed my life. I just have to tell you, you've changed my life. I just am so grateful for you. You've changed my family's life. I made $900,000 with this process because of you. And I literally want to come and meet you someday, and I just want to hug you because you've changed my family's life. And I just really want you to know I appreciate you. I didn't even know you before. You just made that post that day. And I just hope people understand, don't be afraid to make a post. You can change somebody's life. So I just want you to know And now our community has over 7,000 people. So because of you, Carissa, for making that post that day, and because I took action, you've literally, oh my gosh, you guys, it is just, I do want to meet her someday because it's just been powerful. So anyway, I just hope you know the impact you've had not only in my life, but our community's life. Look at everybody thanking you, Carissa, because you started this by making that post that day. And I just want you to know, I've made very high six figures. Victoria just hit six figures in 5 months following this process. Cecilia, she discovered me on TikTok. She was from South Africa. She hit six figures in 7 months. Another gal from South Africa hit six figures in 5 months. I mean, all because of this. What happened post for? She posted about this. I bought from her. Yeah, you guys, she's the reason I'm here. She made that post that day. I seen it. It was so crazy that I seen it. And I seen it, and I asked her one question, and I said, how do we make 100% profit? And she said, we pay the company for the website. And I bought from her, and I bought from her on September 10th, and it was her anniversary. Yes, I remember that like it was yesterday, and you changed my life. I literally, I want to meet you someday because I just want to hug you because, I know I was coachable and I know I plugged in, but because of you, man, just thank you. My family is forever grateful. Yes, it was your anniversary. I remember like it was yesterday. I literally share this story all the time because you guys, I didn't know her, right? And I remember when I bought from her, I told her I was going to buy. I was like, I'm doing this. And she's like, now if there's a delay in getting your blueprint, she goes, it's because it's my anniversary. I remember all of this like it was yesterday, you guys. And so I'm just telling you, that's how impactful social media is. That's how impactful. And then she's here right now. Isn't this so cool? Yes. So you guys, and I've been sharing this story, and I tell people all the time, Carissa, I'm like, you guys, I want to meet her someday, and I just want to hug her. And then boom, you pop on here today, and I'm like, that is so cool. Yes, 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 yes. Yeah. Yeah. Definitely brings people in your life when it's needed the most. Yes. Isn't this awesome? Oh my gosh. And you guys all get to experience it today. And then, like literally you've changed my life. Yeah. Yeah, you guys, isn't this so cool? Look at this. My community, like I talk about you, and I talk about how it was your anniversary, and I talk about your post. Like no MLM, no monthly expenses, 300 a day, right? I remember that. You're just amazing. Like you've changed my life. I mean, you gave me hope that day. Like that's why I call myself a hope dealer, because she gave me hope that day, you guys, that I could have a different life, because I was really down on myself and I was really disappointed in myself, and she gave me hope that day, and I got excited, and I hadn't been excited in forever. And I saw her post. So crazy. Didn't even know her, right? Didn't know her. And I remember screenshotting her post, and I remember asking her, what did I buy from her? The 6-figure blueprint. Yes, I bought the 6-figure blueprint. You remember? Yes, I was sad about MLM. You know what's so great, Carissa? So like you guys, this is so perfect, right? Because, you know, people share stories all the time, and you know, sometimes feel like, oh, I wonder if they're telling the truth. And I love this because you literally are just edifying my whole journey that I've been sharing with everybody for these last 16 months. So it's pretty cool. So how fun is that, you guys, that she like jumped on here today? Oh my gosh. Buy her a ticket on the cruise for a thank you. Hey, I would totally buy her whole entire family tickets for the cruise if she would go. Absolutely, I would. Oh my gosh. So Carissa, you ready for this? One of my videos got pushed out in South Africa. I built a huge community in South Africa. I'm talking huge, like over 2,000 people. Already 2 people from South Africa are millionaires in Rand money in South Africa, which is 6 figures in our. I'm flying to South Africa in March. I want to meet the community. I want to understand the culture. Like all because of you. All because one day you made a post. Like, so awesome. Yes, I know. I can't wait. Want the details for the cruise? Yeah, it's in the community, Liz. Yes. I know. I just want to meet her in person. Yeah. Isn't that cool, you guys? Yeah. MLM is emotional. Yeah. The month of June, Carissa, the month of June, I got more customers from South Africa, United Kingdom, Australia, and Canada than I did here in the United States. Is that not wild? Oh, anyway, thank you. Like I can't thank you enough. You changed my life. Like, whew, if you really knew how much you changed my life, like I hope you just sleep really well at night knowing that because you made a post that day, 7,000 people's lives have changed, and thank you for making that post. So. I feel like I owe you my life. Like for real. So you guys, this is the power of showing up. It wasn't a video she made. It was a post. But that post is what I needed to hear that day. And how many of you haven't made a post because you don't know what to say? But she talked from her heart that day, and it was what I needed to hear. And she showed up, and because she showed up, it's changed my family's life. So, well, good. Yes. Did you see that? We all owe you, Carissa. See, they all feel that way. Like everybody, I talk about you a lot because it is, she started this by showing up that day. I don't even know where my life would be today if she didn't do it. So, yeah. Yes. Aw, I love that so much. Yeah. Aw, yes. There you go, Carissa. They're all sending you love now. So, yes, you guys, that's the power of social media, right? I don't even know where she lives. I know she lives in the United States, but I don't know. Yes, hello, happy Sunday. Oh my goodness, I hope you see how special. Aw, yes. It's community. Florida, there you go. How funny. You know what's so funny about that? Because I'm going to take my grandchildren on a trip this summer. They want to go to the beach. And I'm like, we should fly to Florida. Oh, and we want to rent a beach home in Florida. So, oh my gosh. Well, I do have to hug you someday. Yes, so there you are. They're all giving you love too. She planted the seed of the growth community. Yes, Gilbert, that is perfect. Oh my gosh, she did plant the seed. It was hers. It all started because she showed up that day. That's the power, you guys, of showing up every day. And she did, you know, and I think about that a lot. You know, everything. It just, you know, she showed up. I showed up on Facebook. I seen it, you know. Yes. So there you go. My community's thanking you. Yes, we are grateful. Yes, we are. So it's so cool. Wow. Well, that, like, my heart is like, because when I saw Carissa, you know, I was like, could that be her? So there you guys go. You guys just got to experience that. I just feel so good right now. And how am I